Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. It's my pleasure to invite you to attend our yearly course, Basic Cerebral Angiography course in its 2024 edition. The course includes 1 month of online preparation. During the online preparation, we study the cranial arterial anatomy and the cranial venous anatomy by case presentations, many lectures, and discussions through our WhatsApp group. Then we attend in a 2-day live course. The first day, we give different lectures on the cranial arterial and venous anatomy, and we train on how to perform diagnostic cerebral angiography on our handmade special models. And in the second day, we attend live cases for real patients indicated for diagnostic cerebral angiography. In summary, this course prepares you to master how to perform and interpret diagnostic cerebral angiography. Don't hesitate and catch your seat in the next course in 2024.